Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the most monumental channel here on YouTube. Yes, Let's Rate Live is the show about my channel. Title, the name, D-E-I-V-E-D. That's me, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back. Happy Wednesday, dudes and dudettes. Oh my goodness, we're almost done with the year. What the heck? Dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, share with me in the chat room or in the comment section that golden nugget, that symbol that you want us to review. But don't send me a broken link, dude. Don't send me a broken link. Just let's start the conversation going. And ladies and gentlemen, just I know, hold your horses, dudes. You may be wondering what is happening today in the futures. Some of you are feliz como una lombriz. Is that true? Is that true?
What?
Well, we're gonna find out. So don't go just yet, because me and Chewy, we're gonna investigate. Dudes and dudettes, go ahead, like this video. Hadouken! If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do it right now. Not even, that's not the only step. Go ahead and ring that bell so you get notified. But David, I can't support the channel. Well, for free, for FREE, yes, you can actually do all of this and support the channel. And you can even go to your favorite YouTuber. Go to Healthy Young Food, or Graham Stefan, or you can even go to Daniel Pranks, or you can even go to Good Mythical Morning, Mr. Beast. Right in the comment section, David, D-E-I-V-E-D, and Chewy send a lot of love.
Finish him.
And I will be having the Amazon gift card giveaway video coming up soon. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, the Amazon gift card video coming soon. And the members will have a second opportunity.
Oh my.
Don't forget, guys. Don't forget that, because that's critical to expand this channel. Let's go ahead and move forward. Why the heck I have only my right side lit up? So it's the one side is lit, the other one is not lit. Let's see. Hey, there you go. And now, dudes and dudettes, let's go ahead and review our wallpaper. You know what I'm talking about? You know what I'm talking about? Let's remove this. Holy mofongo!
Monster kill.
Bitty bitty Bitcoin! Ladies and gentlemen, look at that! Bitcoin kicking booty this morning. Didn't we say it? Didn't we say it over here, over here, over here, over here? Didn't we say it? But David, but didn't we say it? But David. Ladies and gentlemen, look at that. Oh my God. I still remember when I was saying over here, well, this trend line can be broken and it can be going down. Boom, it went down, guys. And then we were saying, well, if it breaks this trend line, it can actually go up. Boom, it's going up, up and away to $19,878. Dudes and dudettes, this is a historical move for Bitcoin. I think we're gonna be breaking the resistance, and you're gonna be like, but David, you didn't tell me. I've been talking about since 5,000, guys. I've been talking about Bitcoin since it dropped many times, many times, and it has been quite a few times. And I said, just buy a little piece of it. Don't even buy the whole thing. You don't have to buy a whole Bitcoin. You gotta buy at least a partial thing of it, because in the future, those are numbers can go to extra decimals. So the important thing is that you actually own something for the crypto market. I think that we are gonna be kicking some booty. Ladies and gentlemen, let me know over here if you capitalize on Bitcoin, because I am riding this wave.
Boom, shakalaka.
I feel like I'm powering up. Ladies and gentlemen, yes, we are killing it. Beautiful thing. Let me go ahead and say hi to everybody over here. while I leave Bitcoin. What a beautiful thing, guys. What a beautiful day. Mira para allá. Ha, ha, ha. And they said that this channel was una porquería. Mira para allá. We got Jason Park.
Boom shakalaka.
We got Marcenchi en la casa.
Boom shakalaka.
We got Tom Bladbecky.
Boom shakalaka.
Cameron Walker as well.
Boom shakalaka.
Flor de Oro. Flor, hopefully you're doing amazing today. We got Whoa Vision. I bought in Aphria at 812. I'm kind of new. Advice. Welcome to the channel, Whoa Vision.
Boom shakalaka.
My friend, advice? Follow your trading plan. What does your trading plan say? I like Aphria long term. I'm gonna be very honest. I've been reviewing it for quite a bit, and I'm gonna be reviewing it. I'm gonna be reviewing some news, but whoa. Usually, the members and subscribers here say good morning. Just as una modalidad, just to be hey sir, good morning. I'm here. Pay attention to me, but in a how do you say modales in English? Whoosh. Like a gentleman or a lady. Respecting people over here. There's a lot of people in the chat room, right? There's going to be a lot of people requesting as well. Just for the future. It doesn't matter now. I just want to lay out the rules from the beginning, dude. Okay? Huepa. We got JBC. En la casa me la sa.
Boom shakalaka.
Crypto crack. Yo. What's up?
Boom shakalaka.
Yes, manners. There you go. But we respect. We gotta respect, dude. There's so many talented individuals in this chat room. Whew, it is insane, dude. I don't want to know how much this chat room is worth. It will be insane.
Sonic boom.
Manners matters. Excellent. Exactly. I like that. Dude, look at that. 19,874. It is insane. But David, let's go and review the news. Let's do it right now, guys. Let's do it. Do it right, child. Just got a new sub. Good morning. Thank you. Whoa, Vision. Thank you for that. Beautiful.
Hadouken.
Stimulus momentum sees futures extend gains before Fed meeting. Signs of progress toward a coronavirus stimulus package. Okay, Cardi, you can say it.
Coronavirus!
Stimulus package lifted sentiment on Tuesday, allowing the S&P 500 to shake off a 4-day losing streak, while futures suggested the rally could continue after advancing another 0.3% overnight. Top congressional leaders indicated they were inching closer to striking a deal after a day of meetings, while vaccine optimism and a dovish stance at today's Fed meetings are expected to propel markets further. It is just because another excuse for those that missed the rally or that are bullish anyway to buy into it, said Luca Paolini, chief strategist at Pictet Asset Management. We know that a deal is coming. The signals are pretty clear. U.S. retail sales data will also be published this morning, which could show a rise for the 7th consecutive month in November, as well as purchasing manager surveys that are likely to display a continued expansion in the U.S. Are you okay, Shui? Ladies and gentlemen, let me move forward. I got more article over here, more articles. Most of American public may get vaccine by end of February, HHS Secretary Azar says.
What?
The time frame in which most Americans will be eligible for a coronavirus vaccine keeps moving up.
Guess what, bitch?
What?
Coronavirus!
Cardi, such a beautiful voice. Good morning, Cardi. Good morning. Good to hear you. Just 2 weeks ago, Dr. Monsef Slawoy, head of Operation Warp Speed, said the U.S. could immunize 1/3 of its population within 3 months. But it now looks like most of America could get a vaccine by that date. Depending on the decisions by our governors, but I believe we'll have enough supply out there to be reaching out to the general public for administration at your CVS, Walgreens, Kroger's by the end of February into March, said Health and Human Services Secretary Alex Azar. The timeline could be even earlier if the approval of the Astrazeneca and Johnson & Johnson vaccine comes soon, he added. On Tuesday, the FDA said that the jab developed by Moderna was highly effective, setting the stage for an emergency authorization later this week. Pfizer and BioNTech began shipping their vaccine nationwide on Sunday. Looking to the stock exchange writes today on Seeking Alpha that Moderna's COVID-19 upside looks priced in. And you know what? I gotta review most of this, guys. You know what? I'm gonna do CVS. Holy mofongo. I thought I wasn't gonna be reviewing a lot. But CVS, we got WBA. Woo! Getting the notifications. Hello, David. You have received some dividends. Yes, that's the message I just got, guys. I got some dividends. DVD, can you see that we're getting dividends? You know, I'm going to do Kroger. I've never done Kroger. AstraZeneca, I'm going to do J&J and PFE and BNTX. Okay, guys? I'm going to do all of those because I remember that yesterday we had a big drop. And before I get to the let's do the biosector, okay? Let's do the biosector right now. Bitcoin rejecting. 3 more hours to go for Bitcoin, actually for the 4 hour. Let's see, guys. Let's see if it will break the resistance. So, let's go ahead and get started with CVS. I remember the last kiss CVS did. So, let's see over here. CVCVS. Guys, look at this. David. Papo, we are always one step ahead. I just can't be one step behind. You know, I think it was Franklin Delano Roosevelt. Yes, from the booty Roosevelt. Guys, he used to always think about 3 situations ahead of time if he will have a conversation. And this is this exact same situation we do here, guys. We always are one step ahead. We're like, well, if this happens, you know, then we can actually keep on going up. We can go down. We got to create trend lines. Guys, that's all it is. It's just about managing the expectations, okay? That's all we're saying, managing the expectations. And CVS, man, let me be very honest, guys. It's at 69.88. That was yesterday's close. Let's see what we got. Let's see. Oh, the pre-market is doing very, very well, huh? But David, Trump and Biden, $69.98, guys. $69.98. Man, it's not a lot, but I like CVS. I like that it's looking like he just wants to go up, guys. But David, where can we go? Well, let's see over here, the weekly. I'm actually liking 74, 78, actually even 80s, guys. 80s for CVS makes sense. After that, 113. So patience will bless us, as you already know. WBA, and we are actually up already this morning, by the way, with CVS. We are 69.98. WBA, which I entered the other day. I don't know who else entered over here. We discussed in our Discord. Let me see. What is the current price? So yesterday closed at 41.33. WBA waking up at 41.33, not a lot of movement. We enter at 38, and I'm satisfied with my entry right now. I think that we're going to go higher and higher. Looking at the weekly here, we expected the retracement, guys. I think there could be a little bit of more retracement, but I'm waiting for the break of a resistance level of $45. It can definitely lead us to more upside. I like it. I like even over here $57, guys. This could be a very good price point. Maybe $56.30. I like a Walgreens. I like a Walgreens, and it pays dividends as well, guys, which is good. KR, I don't know if I've done KR before. You know what I know? I didn't add the timestamp, but whatever. Kroger, oh yeah, we did. We did a long time ago, and look at that. Bounced on the resistance level. It said, no way, Kroger. Get out of here, Kroger. And he just went down. And you know what? My analysis wasn't bad, guys. It's pretty solid, even though it's an old analysis because I don't use yellow lines anymore. So what I'll do now is move this to make it more sense of it. I'm liking this. I'm liking this trend line as well on the daily. If we get to break the trend line, it means that we can go to the upside. For example, let's try to break this 31.58. After we break that 31.58, you can see that we have some potential upside, 5.1%, and even further, 12.6%. I actually believe, let me go ahead and review this once again. Even though I got this zone, I'm going to delete it because we already have reviewed that area. So I want to go ahead and do it with a line. I think these lines are doing well. Support and resistance. By the way, a zone is basically the support and resistance with extended range. That's it. That's all it is, guys. And I'm liking this. I just want to wait a little bit more. A little bit more. Maybe today Kroger can give us some signs. Where is it this morning? From 31.19, KR is at 31.17. 31.17. So there could be some potential for more downside. If it gets to drop, keep it in mind, guys, because the vaccines will be coming up for these places, which is very, very interesting. And then AstraZeneca. Let's do AstraZeneca. I know we've been reviewing. Let's see. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. AstraZeneca, are you getting ready? Are you getting ready? AstraZeneca from 50.83 to 51.91. Mira para allá. 51.91. I think that AstraZeneca will surprise us pretty soon, guys. I think that it is showing good signs. This, for me, can be partially considered as a double bottom. I say partially because I do want to see better candles. These candles kind of suck. And on the daily especially, which is, man, I don't love the candles, but it seems to me that it just looks like it can go to the upside. Let's see what else. From AstraZeneca, let's do, whoops. I think let's add Moderna to the list. Let me add Moderna. I'm going to do Moderna. I don't care, dude. Dude. Tequila. Okay, over here, guys. We're getting close to the weekend. Dude, I'm going to Puerto Rico, and I hope I get a parranda or I get some freaking arroz con gandule or coquito. By the way, somebody misunderstood me when I said coquito. They believed I said cookie dough, but it's all good, my friend. It's all good. It will be interesting. A coquito with cookie dough flavor, something like that. $143.19 for Moderna. I believe we've been saying that Moderna had potential for downside, and it is still a little bit down. I think it can go back down to even 128. I think it will be a great opportunity for Moderna. I am happy that we capitalize when we capitalize. So the movement that we're seeing right now is not as bad as we believe it could be for those holding a little bit longer term. But I already closed some positions. I have some pending positions going on, and I'm expecting some rejection somewhere, either over here where we are now, or a little bit lower, 127. So keep that in mind, guys. Keep Moderna in mind. It's not looking the best right now. J&J has been impressing me for quite a bit. I didn't add the timestamp. Holy mofongo. So Johnson & Johnson over here, guys. I like 150. No, I like. It's not that I like. It's that it's at 150.57. And J&J today, where are we? 150.50. So we haven't moved that much. It's a little bit down. But this was needed after the break of a trend line. As you can see, a last kiss. And J&J always ranging from 150s to 130s. If it goes back to 130s, you know what to do, guys. You know what to do. From J&J, let's move to PFE. Pfizer going down as well from 38.71. Let's see where is it located. 38.64. So downside, but I'm expecting bullish momentum, guys. I think that we're gonna be seeing some interesting rejections coming soon. I don't mind the downside. I just liked Pfizer at 40s. Sadly, Pfizer, you went down, but I think it can go back to 40s, guys. I think that's the range. Then BioNTech, BNTX. The good thing about Pfizer, by the way, is that it pays dividends. And BioNTech, shout out to Tom Bladecki, who got a good entry yesterday. Was it yesterday, Tom? Or the day before? BNTX over here from $111.19 to $113. Whoop, whoop. Keeps on going to the upside. $113.88, guys. Wow. Beautiful. Mira para allá, Tommy. 2.5%, dude. Very good. Very good. Good. Okay, guys. That's looking beautiful. Let's go ahead and get back to Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin creating rejections at 19,770. Bitty Bitcoin. Let's see if it holds up. Let me go ahead and check out the chat room real quick, my friends. Tom Blackdecky says, whoa, hang on to it until you find a better opportunity. It is up to I-96 in pre-market, so you are off to a good start. Yes, indeed. Good morning, Betty.
Boom shakalaka!
Waka. Damn, waka, damn.
Boom shakalaka!
Good to see you, my friend Nate. Dog, good to see you.
Boom shakalaka!
By Tilray, Aphria, both or none? I will say Aphria, but we will review it. Don't go just yet because me and Chewy, we're going to find out what happened with Aphria and Tilray. We already reviewed yesterday, but there's a little bit of more details in this morning. Verifiguración, I'm still in Veru. How is it today? Well, we got to find out, Veru. I'm going to add it to the list. I'm going to add it to the top of the list. Veru. Then over here, Waka. Heard a lot of chat by Wall Street investors that golden plate investors buy pumping stock after a tweet from Elon that bought the stock down. Goldman then get Tesla to sell on the market. What? Dude, I don't even understand your message. We got Andre Bauso. Good to see you, mi hermanillo. ¿De dónde? De Bayamón. Papo, de ahí vengo yo, de Valle Verde.
Boom shakalaka!
Bienvenido, mi hermanillo. Good to see you. Roncañita. Roncaña. Lo voy a considerar. Yahoo! Okay, guys. Let's go ahead and review. Cameron Walker says, Nate, typically you want to buy when the train is still at the station. Papo. Golden nuggets there. Look at the other cannabis sector for more rewarding plays, in my opinion. Papo. Golden nuggets here live, let me tell you. About BNTX 2 days ago. Tom, the perfect moment, dude. You enter at the best moment. Shout out to you, Tom. I love that entry. I love that you made that entry. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward. So, guys, just to give you a preview, I'm going to talk about Exxon. I'm going to talk about Facebook, Zoom, Aphria, and Tilray. Oh, Jailead. I actually got to do Jailead right now. I got to get it out of the way before I get to this because I already talked about the biosector. So let me go ahead and do Jailid real quick. And I got Helion, I got Wish, and then we'll do Veru, Tesla, Apple, NIO, IDEX, and Nndm for now. So let's go ahead and review this one for Jailid first, and then I'll get back to this article. Man, oh man, oh man, oh man, oh man. The best in the market, Planet 13 for cannabis. Dude, there's a lot of right now of plays. But Planet 13, very good one, but it's an OTC. Not a lot of people have access to it, my friend. Just keep that in mind. A lot of people can't access that one because it's OTC. So, let's go ahead and review Jailid. Jailid Tecartus receives conditional authorization in Europe for blood cancer. Interesting. The European Commission has granted conditional marketing authorization Kite's Tecartus. Kite is Jailid company. Tecartus is a chimeric antigen receptor T-cell therapy for adult patients with relapsed or refractory mantle cell lymphoma after 2 or more lines of systemic therapy. Conditional marketing authorization in Europe is initially valid for 1 year, but can be extended or converted into an unconditional authorization after the submission and assessment of additional confirmatory data. With that said, let me review GIL. GIL, baby, GIL. Oh, espérate, this is not the one. GILD. Yeah, GILD. There you go. Jailid, finally. Are you saying to us that you don't want to be in the 50s? I still see Jailid going down, guys. I'm going to be very honest. I still believe that Jailid can go even lower. But where are we this morning? From $59.60. Jailid, $59.48. Hey, it's a little bit up. Not a lot. I still think that it can go lower, guys. I'm not a believer right now of Jailid. I think Jailid needs to go down. But anyways, man, the futures are retracing a little bit, guys. I don't know if you have seen it, but let's move forward. I got to look at this article. I did want to review this one. So this is a very interesting one for all of you. Gili AD, bro. Wait, what? Gili AD? Marcenci? What to watch at today's Fed meeting, ladies and gentlemen. This is going to be a very interesting day. This day will be an interesting day. We've been saying, guys, November was going to be the best month. We said that the end of the year was going to be an amazing Christmas for us, and it's starting to be. We got some vaccines. But what to watch at today's Fed meeting? Investors this afternoon will tune into the Fed's latest quarterly projections on economic growth, unemployment, inflation, and interest rates, which will be the first since the pandemic intensified, only to be followed by historic vaccine progress. While no changes are expected on rates, they are already near zero. The central bank's asset purchase program could see some adjustments. Some expect the Fed to increase the current pace of $120 billion bonds per month or buy longer-dated bonds to stimulate the economy, though others see it providing outcomes-based guidelines that are needed before tightening monetary policy. At the end of the day, they're going to be dovish, said Rick Ryder, Chief Investment Officer of Global Fixed Income at BlackRock. The question is, are they going to be dovish or super dovish? So do they extend the duration of purchases? I don't think it matters when they do it, at this meeting or next. I think they're going to do it. At Jerome Powell's press conference, there could also be some talk about how monetary policy can address inequality and the climate, as well as some focus on the timing of the inflation overshoot. Yes, I've been a Yang gang since Andrew Yang started to come out with the $1,000 every month. Not everybody agrees with it. I'm fine with that. I think there's a lot of value on providing money to people. You see their faces change. Not everybody has the same environment and conditions. But if we level the playing field, I think it will be a very level playing field. Let's go and review over here, guys. Adding the stream marker. Exxon upgraded, joining Hess and Shell as top E&P picks at Wells Fargo. interesting. Hess and Royal Dutch are top picks among international E&P companies at Wells Fargo, which also elevates Exxon Mobil to its overweight rated names in the group, joining BP and ConocoPhillips. What might be perceived as controversial, Wells upgrades Exxon to overweight with a $53 price target while cutting Chevron to equal weight and on a $105 target. Not a criticism of CVX, but mostly a change in our view that in 2021, the last might be first for a while. Supporting offensive positioning toward big oil stocks are significant capex and opex reductions, a greater focus on returns and free cash flow generation throughout the sector, greater ESG disclosures goals, and an alignment with rebalancing global supply-demand fundamentals in 2021, Wells Roger Reed writes. Reed also raises Occidental Petroleum to equal weight as the early stages on a multi-year recovery for the oil and gas sector remove immediately liquidity and bankruptcy concerns while still facing significant debt maturities in 2022, 2024, and 2025, as well as the expiration of its current $5 billion revolver in early 2023. And guys, I just want to take a look at Exxon Mobil. I don't want to get into deep. Cause I'm in too deep when I front to keep when I bottom my head. Okay, guys, over here, some 41, guys. $43.04 was yesterday's close. Pero espérate. Exxon Mobil today, $43.50. Ha! David, ladies and gentlemen, look at this. $53 target. From this motherfucker, who was it? Who was this motherfucker? Wells? Dude, Wells, you are watching our videos and you don't say hi, huh? You really are very shy, huh? You're shy? Why are you shy, dude? I don't know, guys. Sometimes these analysts, they say exactly not exactly what we're expecting. Maybe 1 cent, maybe 50 cents off. But we usually get it right with our Fibonacci levels and our support and resistance. Dudes, come on. We're giving you Class A targets before these analysts give you the targets. Look at that. I have 55, guys. And this guy is saying 53. Holy mofongo, David. You're doing it. And guys, actually, Exxon Mobil was a great buy at 20s, 30s. Because now we get a little bit of more dividends. Salute for those who were patient to get that little bit of a drop and getting a little bit of life. Am I long-term on Exxon Mobil? Not necessarily, guys, because the Biden administration said that they're going to be shifting from oil to EV to green energy. I think that's a good response for Exxon Mobil, and we'll see. Maybe Exxon will finally evolve. Who knows? Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section. What do you think, guys? Let's review now Facebook, one of the most controversial companies ever. One of the newest ways to do business. By the way, Facebook is doing a lot of great things for people, guys. I thought that they weren't gonna be paying people by doing content, and finally they have gotten there. They're trying to mimic a lot of the Twitch and YouTube revenue style, guys, which is very interesting. Let's see over here, guys, which is insane for Facebook. It is insane. I'm glad that Facebook is starting to shift a little bit. And I've been thinking about streaming on Facebook, guys. Maybe not this show, but maybe other things. So let me know what you think. Maybe Facebook is better? I don't know. Let's review this one. Facebook lifts political ad ban for Georgia runoff elections. Dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ring the bell. It's the free way to support this channel. Facebook is lifting its temporary post-election ban on political ads that was implemented to prevent confusion or abuse as Georgia gears up for a January 5th runoff election that will determine which party takes control of the Senate. We agree that our ad tools are an important way for people to get information about these elections, Facebook wrote in a blog post. We will reject ads that target locations outside of Georgia or that are not about elections for violating our advertising policies. And we will continue to prohibit any ad that includes content debunked by a third-party fact-checkers or delegitimizes the Georgia runoff elections. As of now, Republicans will hold a 50 to 48 majority in the Senate, but if Democrats win both of the Georgia runoff races, Vice President-elect Kamala Harris will be the tie-breaking vote, giving the party control of the White House and Congress. Last week, Google also lifted its own temporary pause on elections-related advertising after a blackout of more than a month due to concerns over election misinformation. Let's go ahead and review over here, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, FB. By the way, tell your family and friends to join this channel, guys. By the way, for my friends on Puerto Rico, the reason that I started doing these freaking videos is because in Puerto Rico, they didn't teach me anything about this, guys. And I just wanted people to learn. That's why I wanted to do it, even though I did it in a very different style in the beginning and then it just evolved. But dudes, yesterday we reviewed some beautiful articles from Facebook, giving more opportunities to content creators and even some artists. Now they're gonna be mimicking a little bit of the cameo thing. So Facebook today, from 275.55, we're down a little bit to 275 flat. I still think that Facebook will continue with some more upside. Data is more valuable than oil, and you can see it, guys. I mean, how much is Facebook? How much is Exxon Mobil? Compare. Andrew Yang was right, guys. He knew it, and he gave us the tip, basically. And then, what do you think about Facebook, guys? Do you think they need to be broken up? Do you think that they're doing good? They're going to go down? They're going to go up? Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, dude. Let's go ahead and move forward over here with Zoom. After Zoom, I'm going to be talking about Aphria and Tilray, guys. So that is coming up next. So grab your popcorn, hold on to your calzoncillos and your panties and the furs because we're going to get there. But first, we got to review Zoom sets up R&D center in Singapore. Doubles capacity at first Southeast Asia data center. Zoom Video will open a new research and development center in Singapore and double its data center capacity in the country. Zoom will immediately hire hundreds of engineers to staff the new center. The video conference company launched. We got to review the airlines, the Singapore data center in August, and it was Zoom's first in Southeast Asia. Zoom already has R&D hubs in the US, India, and China. Singapore is pro-business, ranked as one of the friendliest countries to set up a company, and continues to be a favorite for a regional headquarters as it boasts exceptional talent, strong infrastructure, and is a perfect gateway for engaging the wider APAC region, says Velkami Sankarlingam, President of Product and Engineering for Zoom. We plan to immediately hire employees, leveraging Singapore's highly educated engineering talent pool. Our new R&D center and data center will play a critical role in Zoom's continual international growth. With that said, let's review ZM. Do you guys remember when we were talking about it since like 100? Let's see what we got. Woo! Zoomy, zoomy, zoomy. Can you see that we're creating some support levels, guys? Very nice. So $399.43 for Zoom. I think that we're going to be kicking booty soon, guys. Zoom, $400.13. There you go. I'm telling you guys, trend line gets broken, we're going to kick some booty. I'm telling you all, guys, I think that Zoom is a great tool. It's going to continue to be used. Not everybody will go back to the office. I'm telling you, this work from home thing, there's many advantages. It's not only as an employee, but as an employer. The employer will get way more out of the individual if they stay at home. They don't have to drive to the place. They don't have to spend money on coffee or whatever. they stay at home so they can do their own things, and that motivates them and keeps them a little bit happier, I believe. So there's a lot of pros, and there's a lot of cons as well. But I think work from home thing is a thing that will stay. Companies need to start adopting this, especially technological companies. They're doing it. Twitter, Facebook, I believe even Apple has been doing it. But obviously Apple has a little bit of more. Now they're starting to be more. They've always been hardware oriented, but now they're getting into the chips, which is insane. But anyways, who in here is investing in the cannabis sector? I want to see hands. I want to see some Hadoukens from the members. Where are the members? Members, wake up, wake up. Randy, are you here?
Oh yeah.
You know what? I'm gonna post this message that I always post. I need to post this message that I always post, guys, because I just want to remind everybody as much as I can that members are able to do some Hadoukens, okay? Members are able to do some Hadoukens. Like, share, and subscribe. That's a free blessing, guys. Members can do some Hadoukens, right?
Hadouken!
And that super chats and super stickers are beautiful, as you already know. They're very, very beautiful. And always keep on kicking booty, guys. Always keep on kicking booty. Let's pin that message. Let's go ahead and get started, guys. This is the time. This is the time. See? Whoa. This is what I was saying. Whoa. Some of these things or companies are OTC, and you're not able to actually invest in them in Robinhood. You know, a lot of investors in this channel are Robinhood investors. But hopefully, with the knowledge that you've been acquiring, you have been expanding a little bit, maybe to M1 Finance, maybe getting into the Coinbase, maybe even getting into the Webull. Check out the link in the description. We actually got a special Webull link that will provide you 4 free stocks. And this offer will be ending soon in December, guys, so keep that in mind. Let's go ahead and get started with this one. This is all about Aphria and Tilray. Yes, yesterday we read some news about it. And let me know in the chat room, let me know in the comment section, which one are you investing in? But I think I already have my answer. And let me know, are we going to be doing some?
Hadouken!
Or are we going to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob? Aphria and Tilray to merge, creating a near $4 billion market cap cannabis player. Yahoo! Under terms of the deal, Aphria owners will receive 0.83 shares of Tilray. Okay, guys? For each Aphria share they own, while Tilray owners will continue to hold their shares. Aphria will own about 62% of the combined company, a close at about 23% premium to Tilray's close yesterday. The merged company will be called Tilray and continue to trade under the symbol TLRY. From the PR, ladies and gentlemen, the combined company, supported by low-cost, state-of-the-art cultivation, processing, and manufacturing facilities, will have a complete portfolio of branded Cannabis 2.0 products in Canada. Internationally, the combined company will be well positioned to pursue growth opportunities with Aphria's medical cannabis and distribution footprint in Germany, and Tilray's European Union good manufacturing practices, low-cost cannabis production facility in Portugal, which has export capabilities and tariff-free access to the European Union, EU, to meet increasing global demand for medical cannabis. In the United States, the combined company will have a strong consumer packaged goods presence and infrastructure with 2 strategic pillars, including Sweetwater Brewing Company, a cannabis lifestyle branded craft brewer, and Manitoba Harvest, a leading hemp food manufacturer and a pioneer in branded CBD and wellness products. The deal is seen closing in the second quarter of 2021. With that said, ladies and gentlemen, I gotta review another article. Yes, not only that, we're not only gonna review Aphria and Tilray. I gotta take a look at CGC. We gotta take a look at Chronos. And obviously, ACB. But before I get there, no, Siri, not you. Stop. Man, my Siri always gets activated when I talk about ACB. Stop it, Siri. Stop it. I'm sorry, guys. That was a. Hello? Yes, I'm doing great. Don't worry, my friend. We're almost done with the show. I'll go by there a little bit later. Tilray Aphria merger could be just the start of cannabis consolidation. Cantor Fitzgerald analyst Pablo Swanek says it makes sense that there is cannabis industry consolidation being teed up in Canada given oversupply issues, historically low flower retail prices, and asset cost bases that are misaligned for the most part with the current state of development. Moreover, with U.S. federal permissibility still around 3 to 4 years away as per most estimates, we believe the Canadian LPs will remain blocked out of the U.S. THC market for the time being. The firm see clear benefits for Aphria and Tilray, noting the reported synergies of $100 million create 50% value on the combined market cap, and the combined company will be 2x the next player in domestic recreation in terms of market share. It is also seen as a positive as the company's international assets are complementary and synergistic. A heads up to the rest of the sector from Cantor, we believe other mergers could follow in the Canadian space. Tilray is up 21.3% in pre-market and Aphria 11.4%. Oh, and we got a review over here. I believe we got to check out Hexo. Gotta do Hexo, dude. Somebody said Planet 13. I'm gonna do it, but let me tell you, not everybody can invest in it, you know? Planet 13. And I'm gonna do Sundial. Obviously, I'm gonna do MJ. I like it. And I like Jolo as well as an ETF. ETFs, guys, Jolo and MJ are my top pick. So I buy Tilray or Aphria. You can buy Tilray. You can buy Aphria. It doesn't matter. They will give you the same. Basically, they are going up just as the same way. So I actually got some Aphria shares, and that's going to be converting into Tilray, which is beautiful, you know? Look at this. Let's review it again. Under the terms of the deal, Aphria owners will receive 0.8 of Tilray for each Aphria share they own, okay? So 0.83. That is a blessing, actually, because Tilray is more expensive right now, and both are going up. So let's go ahead and dig a little bit deeper. Let's go into the charts and let's see what we got with Aphria and Tilray. Let's see which one makes sense, right? Aphria, for all of you, man. Oh my goodness, guys. Yesterday, we did that break of a trend line. Dude, it was looking beautiful. It was looking perfect. Let's see where it's at. From $8.12, Aphria this morning, $8.61. Woo! Going to the upside. Going to the upside. So that means that if you were to buy one of these at $8.60, you will be getting 0.83 of Tilray. So they're trying to match up the price, right? Think about it. They're trying to match the price, 0.83. It's not a full share. But Tilray, by the way, it was a little bit lower in the beginning of the year, which, man, shout out to Tiash Duan, man. And 787. This is a very interesting. I think that let's look at Tilray after hours, because I think that yesterday's close was very, very interesting because it closed on our trend line. Where is Tilray this morning, guys? Let's see. Tilray. 10.04. 10.04. Then you got the reason, man. You're not gonna. It's gonna be worth the same. So either you buy some Aphria and get some 0.83 shares, or just get Tilray. These are gonna be valued the same. $10.06 right now, guys. I mean, the entry for Tilray was over here at 787, guys. And why go to Aphria if you can get a full share of Tilray? I really think that this one has great potential in the long term. I see Tilray kicking booty, guys. I see Tilray really doing something very, very interesting. It's starting to look very, very good. I am very happy that I got in, so I'm just gonna wait a little bit and see how this will come out. But I like Tilray. I like Tilray right now. It's just that it's a little bit late for the entry for some. Now, the next entry for me will be a buy stop of at $12.23. Aphria for me is still cheaper, so maybe some of you just want to get some Aphria because it's a little bit cheaper, but they will be converted to Tilray. So no harm there, guys. No harm. Any decision will be appropriate. I don't think there's going to be a lot of a difference. But man, Tilray does have great opportunity, guys. I'm definitely keeping an eye on that. But David, can we look at Canopy Growth? Yes, we can. Let's review Canopy Growth right now. Chewy, great coffee, my friend. As always, you're always better than freaking Starbucks, dude. I don't need Starbucks. You know, they overcharge you for coffee, guys. So, Canopy Growth. Let's see the daily. Papo, the daily yesterday closed with a bullish engulfing. Where are we today? Let's see. From 26.75, CGC this morning is at 27.08. So yes, Aphria and Tilray news making a shockwave for all of the cannabis sector, guys. 27.08, beautiful, 1.2%. I still think that Canopy Growth has great potential. I've been waiting for that trend line break to happen. And guys, patience is the name of the game. What can I tell you, dudes and dudettes? Shoeys and shoeettes. Dudes and dudettes. Shoeys and shoeettes. Let's do Chronos. CRON, Chronos Group for all of you. David, you're doing the potty stockies. Yes, I'm doing the potty stockies. Not everybody talks about it because YouTube doesn't favor it in the algorithm, which is insane. Can you believe that, guys?
Roar.
Makes me mad. I'm kidding, guys. 834 for Chronos. I think Chronos has great potential. Thank you there, Mr. Frosted Flakes. $8 dude, 2.3% already, and look at the potential for Chronos. But David, I still remember when I said for the first time, man, I'm gonna get in Chronos. But that's a fad. Mira, it went up to 25. You know what I'm expecting from Chronos? Higher highs. And I haven't done the Fibonacci. So let me do the Fibonacci. But David doesn't do analysis. Let me go ahead and dislike his video. That's what happens in this channel, guys. David is only looking at Microsoft Paint. I don't understand it. But you know what? David is so cringy. But David, that's all I hear every time I sleep. Every time I sleep. Oh no! I can't sleep. I'm kidding, guys. I really kid. I don't know if you know that I kid.
Oh yeah!
So Chronos, great potential, guys. I see Chronos with a great future. 38, 31. Then from Chronos, I'm gonna do Aurora Cannabis. If you have lost money from Aurora Cannabis, go ahead and dislike this video. I know that you gotta release that tension. It's like doing a Kamehameha, you know? Breathe out, release the tension. And the haters, you can go ahead and just, go ahead and dislike this video. I don't mind. Hello? Dude, you're always on time when I talk about the haters, dude. Yeah, you can say the message.
Put a little icy hot on it, turn it sideways, and take it straight up your candy ass.
Okay, dude. I will talk to you later. Once you're done with the breakfast, let me know. Ladies and gentlemen, look over here. Aurora Cannabis from $10.21. Woo! Oh, papu. This is looking interesting. 1042. Wow. Guys, I know some of you might be saying, dang it, I got in too early in Aurora Cannabis. You know what? No. You learn. A lot of lessons learned from ACB. And you know what? I still see that $16 level that we can reach. And after that, I see a lot of potential for ACB, but it has to make it right. Otherwise, they're going to drop to the bottom of the ocean and visit SpongeBob. For now, it's looking good. Let me add a resistance level over here at $12. $12.50. Let me leave it there. Yeah, I think this is starting to look. I think we're going to kick some booty, guys. I think today everybody's going to be happy. And you're going to come back in this afternoon video and you will let me know what was that golden nugget that blessed you this morning or today. Hexo is that one that I've been looking since 70 cents. And guys, still a penny stock. When investing in penny stock, make sure that you're investing disposable income. Never invest money that you need. Always invest disposable income, the one that you don't need, that you can say, well, if it's lost, it's lost. You know, that's the mentality. I don't want people here to come by and tell me, David, what should I do? I'm panic. Hey, take it easy. First of all, I know that some people have hard times because of the economic pressure, which is why I supported so much Andrew Yang. But at the same time, it is material things. We can get through it. We will see the perspective and see how we can move forward, right? Every situation, you just gotta try to look at it in different ways. Like, you can't get stuck in one perspective. You gotta start thinking of outside of your shoes, you know? Have a little bit of more different alternatives or variables that can change in your decision making. Hexo over here, $1.13, guys. We are actually a little bit higher. It's looking very, very good. 113, 3.78%. Looking very good. Very delicious. I think we're going to be doing some. Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, guys. Dudes and dudettes. Shoeies and shoeettes. Dudes and dudettes. Shoeies and shoeettes. Planet 13 over here, PLNHF. Let's see over here, guys. Okay. Yes, Fidelity, you can buy a lot of OTCs that you're not able. For example, Planet 13, you're not able to buy in Robinhood, but you're able to buy on in Fidelity, which I think is a great platform. It's not bad. It's at $5.30 right now, Planet 13. He's been doing very, very well. I think, wow, 530, guys, is not bad. I can't review this the current price, so I'm going to leave it there. I can't do a lot for Planet 13. I think it can go to 6 and 8, and after that, we'll review once again. We got Sundial, SNDL. A lot of people getting into Sundial growers. So Sundial has been performing very nicely as well. Even though it's a penny stock. It's at 50 cents, guys. SNDL today at 50.39. Yesterday, it's at 50 cents still. Yesterday, it was trying to go up. Right now, it's a little bit stuck. But I think that we're going to have some good momentum coming up, especially by next year, guys. Especially by next year. And then we got MJ. Did I do the timestamp? Oh, man. I don't know if I did, bro. MJ, Papo, this one is looking way better. Woo! Where is Jordan? I still remember when Jordan was telling me, David, look at MJ. And we were like over here at 15. I'm like, no, but it's still not a buy. And this over here started to show me interesting buy opportunities. And if you don't want to invest in a particular company, invest in the ETF. I mean, the ETF right now makes sense, especially for the cannabis sector. MJ, 1575, guys. Looking good, already up. And what about YOLO? This one goes out to Mary for Alice or Marianne. Papo, YOLO from 1648. We are at. I want people to say good morning over here before they ask about anything or say anything. Gotta say good morning, ladies and gentlemen, or I will ignore in the future. For right now, I won't ignore, but welcome, Turbo Lu. Turbo Lu, ¿dónde están los modales, bro? ¿Dónde están los modales?
Boom shakalaka!
Manners matter. Thank you, JC, por esa. Let's see real quick. YOLO. And guys, by the way, If you're gonna request a symbol, give me context. David, take a look at this one. It looks like the industry of this particular sector is going up. I see some support levels. I see some break of a trend line coming up. Guys, give me context. Don't come over here just asking for things. Otherwise, I may be ignoring them. I'm going to be very honest, guys. It sounds like I'm a douchebag, but you know what? My voice has been getting impacted by the long videos, and I give priority to the members. I want you to say hi to everybody because everybody here is important. Everybody in this chat room is important. I need to let you all know. You are the future. You are the leaders. I'm telling you guys, do you think I don't see the future? Huh. Maybe you want to ask Walter Mercado about that. Oh. Walter Mercado was a psychic. I'm not a psychic, guys. I'm not that talented, you know? Right, Chewy? Not that talented. And YOLO, $16.90, guys. Actually going up. Beautiful. Shout out to Mary Forales who got on this one. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. There you go, Turboloo. Thank you. Thank you for saying good morning, but gotta give me a little bit of context. I'm gonna add it to the list, but I just need to understand what you are looking at because I can look at something. Just look at it. People say, look at this. I'm gonna be there. For example, look at this. Okay, let's review now Helion for all of you. Helion, Hyln. Some of you already have been getting in this one. Let's see what's up. Ooh-wee. What's up with that? What's up with that? Helion Holdings rallies after Barclays charges in with bull rating.
Excellent.
Barclays initiates coverage of Helion Holdings with an overweight rating. The firm assigns a price target of $20 to rep 27% upside potential. The high for Helion was $55.85 back in September when the stock was caught up in a broad EV rally. Helion is thinly covered on Wall Street. With its recent third quarter earnings report, Helion said its focus on 2020-2021 will be to position the company for long-term sustainable growth, capturing the material market opportunity from the electrification of Class 8 vehicles. Shares of Helion Holdings are up 3.3% pre-market to $16.27. With that said, let's review Helion, Hyln. Good morning, Elok Line. Hopefully you're doing great, my friend. Shout out to you and your wifey. Hopefully you guys are doing amazing. Good morning, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
Helion over here. So Helion, Papo, I think this is the time for Helion to go up. This is the time for Helion to go up. Guys, I gotta be in a Disney movie soon. Otherwise, I don't know what am I doing with my life. So Barclays, $20, huh? $20 for Barclays. Barclays, $20. Barclays. There you go. I like it. But Barclays, come on. Say hi once in a while, dude. Are you shy or something? What the heck? Shy. Oh, why? Man, these analysts are all shy, man. I think they're scared of me or Chewy or Randy. I don't know which one. Or maybe The Rock. Okay, guys. I actually, I want to see Helion go up. So Barclays, $20. I think there's great potential. If we break 26, we're going to go back up 117%. And I don't know. I think there's a great potential opportunity here. We'll see. And the last one, I don't usually like to talk about IPOs, and this is only the public article that is out there regarding Wish. So Wish IPO prices at $24, top of range, raising $1.1 billion, guys, and that actually is a good price point. Talking about IPOs, I want to take a look at Airbnb. Let's see what Airbnb has done, guys, because somebody yesterday said they got clapped by it and they didn't provide any more context to what they said. So I got to review what the heck happened to Airbnb. Let's see what we got. So, Context Logic has priced its IPO at $24 to raise $1.1 billion, giving an initial valuation of $17 billion, says Bloomberg, which had planned to sell 46 million shares in the range of 22 to 24 per share. The company reported revenue of $1.7 billion for 9 months, ended in September, up 32% for the year from $1.3 billion. However, net losses widened to $176 million compared with $5 million last year. Founded in 2010 by former Google executive Peter, oh my God, Szulczewski. Did I say that correctly, Chewy? Dude, you always say it much better than me. And Yahoo veteran Danny Zhang. San Francisco-based Wish has more than 100 million monthly active users worldwide, selling about 2 million products daily on its e-commerce platform. The offering is the 31st on an UX exchange. Wow. To exceed $1 billion this year, according to Bloomberg. Context Logic's IPO follows the strong openings for DoorDash and Airbnb earlier this month. DoorDash, in its debut, traded 78% above its IPO price, and Airbnb doubled in its first day. Meanwhile, 2 other widely anticipated IPOs from financial tech company Affirm Holdings and video game company Roblox were pushed back into the new year. There have been 460 IPOs in 2020 so far. October had the most IPOs with a total of 97. So far in December, there have been 51 IPOs. With which more than $20 billion has now been raised in IPOs on U.S. exchanges in December, a record for the month. The 2020 total is now more than $174 billion, also an all-time high. I can't review Wish right now, but I'm going to do DoorDash and I'm going to do freaking Airbnb. So let's start with those. And let me check out the chat room real quick. Good morning, R. Rosa Jr. 1. Welcome to the channel, my friend. Good to see you.
Boom,
Good morning.
shakalaka.
I build a strong position in EVs. So my question is, what other industries do you recommend? ¡Huepa, huepa, huepa! Que Dios te bendiga. I recommend the pot stocks because they're getting hot. And I recommend... Wait, what? Good morning, Manuel Last. I recommend technology. Always technology. Welcome.
Boom, shakalaka.
Manuel Last, bienvenido.
Boom,
RBC,
shakalaka.
STV, ESV, welcome.
Boom,
Turbaloo,
shakalaka.
e-commerce small player, OTC, stock doing IPO on NEO soon. Thank you, Turbaloo.
Boom,
See,
shakalaka.
I love that, Turbaloo. Healthy young food.
Boom, shakalaka.
Wait, whoa. Before I get to DoorDash. Whoa. We are the champions, my friend. Bam, bam, bam. We are the champions to the end. Bam, 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 bam. We are the champions. Crypto is champion. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, shoeies and shoeettes, dudes and dudettes. I gotta change this title, man. Bitcoin 20K. Holy mofongo, guys. Holy mofongo. Bitcoin 20 freaking K. I am loving this. I am loving it. I don't know about you guys. We finally have reached 20K. Historical move for Bitcoin. Congratulations. Time for the moon. Ooh, yeah, man. Ooh. Papo, my Coinbase, oh my goodness. Too much coffee. Woo! To the moon. Didn't we say 20,000 before the year end? Congratulations for those who capitalize on this. Congratulations. This is is a historical move, everybody. We're about to go from 20K to 100K. Oh my goodness, ladies and gentlemen. I feel like there's a lot of power. 20,312. Woo! Guys, we reach our freaking target of 3. Mira, man. You gotta subscribe to this channel, dude. We talk about it every day. Mira, freaking Bitcoin. We had a target of 20,388, and look at where he stopped. Wow, historical movement. By the way, guys, gotta follow Healthy Junk Food. By the way, JP, I saw the video with the voiceover. I'm loving it. Did you like the last episode from Healthy Junk Food, Randy?
Oh, yeah.
See, Randy is a fan too, my friend. And follow them. Tell them that David, D-E-I-V-E-D, and Chewy send a lot of love in the comment section, guys. The free way to do it. Wow, this is insane. Bitcoin. I wanted to get out. I didn't want to get in. David. Oh my goodness, guys. What a beautiful movement. Wow. Okay. Woo. Wow. Woo. What a day. DoorDash, look at that. That's why I didn't want to get in the IPO, guys. That's why, because of this mess. See that? Beautiful. Oh, man. Thank you for the update. Healthy. Wow, what a beautiful thing. Shout out to you and your family and friends, dude. Healthy Junk Food, man. Let me tell you, they are great content creators. Let me be very honest. I love their content. What can I say? Guys, $159.11 on the daily. Wow. Oh my goodness, that Bitcoin really gave me a shock. See, this is why I don't get in IPOs sometimes, guys, because if it doesn't make sense, it doesn't make sense. DoorDash was too expensive for me. $159 now, guys. It went to $195. See that? And what about Airbnb, David? David, why didn't you get in the IPO? Why? Because we understood that the value for Airbnb was actually 68, and we are down to 126. I prefer 126 than freaking 164, guys. 126 is a little bit much better. I think that's the pre-market price. What a beautiful thing. Oh my goodness, guys. We reached that over there. And then Bitcoin starts to retrace to 20,160. Look, see that? That, dude, we were expecting that 20,387. What an insane move. Anyways, let's go ahead and check out over here the symbols. Your requests, ladies and gentlemen. So I don't want to be here for many years. I want to be here
2,000 years later.
We're going to review your favorite symbols. VERU. Veru dabadi dabadai dabadi dabadai. So Veru. Let's look at the daily. So yesterday we created a higher high. We created a higher low. Let me look. There's not a lot of information, Betty. I can't be able to provide you more than what we got. Because the technicals, let me see. No. I'm kidding. Let me see what we got. Real quick. So we already went to our target over here, which was at 980. For me, the next stop will be at around 23. But before that, we got other ranges. For example, let me see a good area for this price. I see a few areas though. You know what I'll do? I think I need to do a Fibonacci. A Fibonacci. 1360, 1668, maybe 2126. Adding higher side of resistance. Man, guys, I'm telling you, I've said it during. Oh my goodness, can't believe it that November was the best month. I said that December was gonna be an amazing month with the vaccines and all of that. Oh my goodness, guys, and now Bitcoin hitting 20,000. Dude, I just can't believe it. I've been blessed. You know, that's I'm about to cry, guys, because that's why I say patience is the name of the game. It's the hardest part of the game. I'm gonna be very honest. Psychological decisions can be made and impact your investment plan, and if you're not strong with your decision, you're gonna be hurt. And I don't want you guys to be hurt. I've been in that. I've already experienced that, and I don't want you guys to experience it. You know, that's all I'm saying. Whew, what a day. What a beginning of the day. Oh, guys, Veru. Let's do Veru. I don't think not even a cinch of a problem will give me a problem today. $9.99, guys. Doing amazing over here for Veru. Thank you very much. $9.99. Already going up. Betty, you're doing good. You're doing good. Not bad. Not bad. No, I think that this will turn up once again. It's already going up pre-market. Let's see, Tesla. Let's do Tesla. A lot of people getting into Tesla or got in Tesla, especially in this channel. Be patient. I'm gonna do NIO after, and I gotta do BLNK, guys, and fuel cell. I gotta do fuel cell. Okay, so I'm adding it. So Tesla yesterday closed at $633.25. Let me see if there's any article. By the way, there was an article about airlines that I gotta take a look at. Man, Bitcoin hitting, dude, the highest highs ever, man. No news about Tesla. Tesla today from, Veru actually went, 996. There you go. There you go. Tesla over here. $630.29. So we're down, but it's fine. I think Tesla needs a little bit of a breather, but next year Tesla is gonna kick some more booty, guys, I think. And if there was any retracement, for example, to 510, that would be a blessing. Let me be very honest. Yahoo! Yahoo indeed. Let me see if there's any article about NIO. Let me see what other articles actually are over here. Because I'm going to do your favorite symbols. Papo, JP Morgan upgrading airlines. Beautiful. And Twitter name top pick in 2021, guys. Look at that. Something that I want to review as well. Let me see what else. Yeah, guys, look at that. Look at this beautiful article. Bitcoin cracks overhead resistance, rising to new all-time high above 20K. We already knew that. We saw it here live. The beautiful thing. The mid-20K, the mid-19K range had proven strong resistance for Bitcoin over the past 3 weeks, but the bulls have finally pushed through this morning. Curiously, it was nearly 3 years ago to the day when Bitcoin first crested 20K. It stayed above that level for a handful of minutes before crashing to the 4K over ensuing few months. Actually, this is a lie. It wasn't a few minutes, guys. It actually was a few days. The most popular of cryptos is currently changing hands at 20.25K. The Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is up 2.9%. So UBTC obviously up, and Mara and Riot has to go up as well, guys. Mira para allá, GBTC. David. Yeah, we said it, guys. We said it here. If you're not watching my videos, I don't know what you're doing. Stop doing whatever you're doing. We can actually check out this one. It's OTC, but I really think that this one will continue to the upside. Greetings, everyone. Great Art Vortex. Welcome to the channel.
Boom,
what about
shakalaka!
BTWN? Peter Thiel's SPAC rumor on Tokopedia investment. Oh, BTWN, yes. We've been reviewing this one for quite a bit as well, my friend. We've been reviewing it. But let me finish your favorite symbols. Before I get to... I want to review this article about airlines, and I want to review this one about Twitter. So let me finish. Mira para allá, blink charging, guys. Whoop, whoop. I'm telling you that the Christmas is going to be a beautiful Christmas, guys. Moderna downgraded. Look at that. Downgraded. Okay. There's a lot of news, guys. Meta Facebook faces new suit from Australian regulator alleging user data violations. And let's see what else. Heat Biologics. Woo! Papo, Heat Biologics has been blessing me since 35 cents. Okay. I gotta review a few things, guys. So let me get these symbols that you requested out of the way. Let me see if NIO has something. Oh, but I gotta do BLNK charging, obviously. I gotta do NEO right now, but let me see if NEO has any new article. Nothing specific. It just went down to the $39 level. NIO for all of you. NIO yesterday, whoop, closed at $43.50. David, NIO. Over here, we are at, holy mofongo, come on, dude. Don't get stuck. Dude, I need a new phone, guys. Oh, my God. $44.16. Getting a little bit of live in the morning. Wow, good morning to everybody. This is going to be an amazing morning. Guys, record this day in your books. December 16th is the day for the record books, okay? I like it. Okay, and now let's do BLNK, guys. Let's do BLNK. BLNK charging. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, guys. If you're new, go ahead and subscribe. Go ahead and ring that bell so that you get notified. We do this every day, 6:30 a.m. Central Time, p.m. Central Time, even though we're going to take a little bit of a break next week. Blink charging up again as it remains a favorite momentum stock.
Shut up and take my money.
Blink charging is up 1.2% in pre-market trading to extend on yesterday's 8.4% gain. BLNK is up 1,419% YTD and top out earlier in the month at $33.62. And we entered at $2. Mind-blowing. Too much, too soon, warned Seeking Alpha author Damian Robbins last month on the sizzling rally. Underpinning the recent momentum, the company signed a 5-year agreement yesterday with Illinois' Blessing Health System for the deployment of 20 Blink-owned IQ200 electric vehicle charging services. And with that said, let's review BLNK. Ladies and gentlemen, BLNK yesterday closed at $28.25. You may be wondering, where is BLNK this morning? $28.70. So pre-market, we are already up 1.5%. That's beautiful. And I really think that we're going to go back to 34.52. I'm liking it, ladies and gentlemen. I am enjoying the ride. I don't know about you, but I'm very feliz como un hombre. Man, BLNK charging. Beautiful. Okay, let's go ahead and move forward to fuel cell. Let's do fuel cell. Let me see if there's any new article. Fuel cell, FCEL. Let's see over here. We got Leville, welcome to the channel.
Boom shakalaka!
So, Great Art, Vortex, Leville, and Enoch. Gotta be a little bit patient because I'm giving priority to what the members have provided, you know. BTWN, I'm gonna add it. There you go, the bell. David, I move all profits to PSTH. I'm super bullish on Ackman's SPAC, largest SPAC ever created. I know there isn't a current announced merger company targeted to upside could be ridiculous. Go Bitcoin, buy HBAR, CRX. Why? Why should I buy? What is the context of that? What is HBR and CRX? Hi, Leville. How are you? ¿Cómo está? Manners matter. Thank you for that, JC. CRX. And then PSTH. I added it. But guys, let me finish because it's already 8 o'clock and I thought I was going to be ending sooner. So fuel cell, no. Green energy stock search. We already knew that. FCEL. Fuel cell energy. Guys, from 8:14 to 8:30, I think fuel cell is going to go up. I think we're going to go to $11.31. That's 39%. And I am actually a little bit more bullish than that. I think that fuel cell is going to kick some more booty, guys, for the long term. I'm a long-term investor. Let me be very honest, guys. I think that fuel cell can go to $29, almost $30. I think that it can get there. We're still on our way. Well on our way. From fuel cell, let's do Apple. I'm gonna do AAPL. I've read good things about HBAR, but don't hold any. I just want to know what is HBR all about. I just want a little bit of context. Whoa! But Apple, going up, doing some. Beautiful. Where is Apple today? AAPL 127.63. Papo, we're down a little bit, but I'm liking this a lot. We're gonna go back to 137. I'm actually very bullish on it. I'm 160. 160 is my target. Let me see over here. NIO we already did. Let's do Ideonomics. Ideonomics, a lot of people looking for this one. So I just want to see what Ideonomics is doing today. And I'm going to be releasing a Nano Dimension video clip coming soon that we reviewed yesterday. Ideonomics, IDEX. I don't think it's moving a lot. 187, still ranging at 180s. We said it here. Ideonomics could go to 180, and it did. But now it is time for it to give us some signs. This is the moment. I want to see some signs from Ideonomics. If we get to break over here this $1.99, $2 resistance, we can go to the upside. What about Nano Dimension, David? Nano Dimension, David. Well, let's do an Nndm. Nano Dimension 642, 647 yesterday, and Nano Dimension today 640. We're not that bad, not that bad. I think the downside is healthy, and if it gets to drop a little bit more, that will be fine. I'm waiting for a break of a resistance now over here at 696, because if we create higher highs, the signs is that it's gonna continue bullish. So let's be patient about it. Then after that, we got LGIQ. But David, LGIQ. I'm going to do the airlines very fast, guys. I'm not going to stay that long on that one. LGIQ, let's see. Great potential, but I don't love this. I don't love this over here, but whatever. We're going to go to the present time and look at the current price. I'm adding the line, support resistance for the freaking gaps. There's a lot of gaps on this one. Oh, this is not looking great. There you go. This looks much better. I think we're gonna be doing good over here at $10.91, looking like it can go to the upside. Next stop will be around here, around 42. Interesting. This looks very interesting. LGIQ, guys, keep that in mind. Technically speaking, has great potential. I'm adding support and resistance. You already know how I do it. Check out, if you're wondering what do I look for in support and resistance, check out the link in the description. This is looking very good, my friend. LGIQ looks good. Then we got over here BTWN. Was that it? BTWN? I think we reviewed it in the past. Wow. BTWN. Bridgetown. Yes, we did. In Bridgetown, from 1358, let's look at the 1 hour and see what we got. There's not a lot of information, as you already know. This sometimes when we don't have a lot of technicals, it's not beneficial for us. Sometimes it's too. I don't like to be a psychic. I like to have my analysis that makes sense, that I can see and makes sense to me. Oh, this risk reward makes sense. Right now, this one is a little bit risky. We are at 1197, so maybe we're gonna close the gap, dudes. I think that this gap can be closed at 1150s or even at 1109. Still not a bad price point though. Let's review PSTH. PSTH for all of you. This one, let's look at the daily. Okay, this one had a great structure that we have followed since September of 2020. And where is PSTH this morning? Now, I'll do Carnival after I do the airlines crypto. 25.75, looking good. 25.75. It's good. It's good. It's good. 1.4%. I think that PSTH has great potential. 27, 28, 29. We'll keep an eye on that. Always make sure that when investing, you're using disposable income and that you're entering into an investment with already perspective of your risk and reward. HBAR, let's see over here. I don't know if I added the timestamps, but whatever. HBAR, man, are you talking about this one? This is not it, right? HBAR. Are you talking about HBAR USD, I guess? This is what you're talking about? So this is a crypto. Let's do a bit T-Rex and see if that looks better. 0.03, that's why Tony knows about it. Tony is one of those that knows a lot about crypto in our Discord community, guys. There's a few that know a lot about crypto in our Discord. By the way, if you want to become a member, just check out the link where it says join. Just click on that and you'll become a member. Well, I mean, not only clicking that, but you know. And then you got to choose your membership. This actually looks interesting. It can go to 23 cents. Very interesting. But Bitcoin is at 20,354.
Excellent.
Man, oh man. And then CRX. PSTH is a great place to park your money, and Kevin O'Leary and Seth Klarman are all in. Interesting, because Kevin O'Leary has been criticizing a lot about, I don't know, man, retail investing and all of this. But anyways, CRX USD, 39 cents. There's not a lot of structure that I can talk about here. So I'm going to go ahead and move forward with these articles before I finish up the video, guys. So Moderna downgraded at Jefferies on elevated expectations. Let me see what is the target. Target of 150 for Moderna at Jefferies. So let's go ahead and add this target for Moderni's mRNA. mRNA, and 150, guys. That's like over there. It's very, very close. I don't know, Jeffries. Why are you saying that? Because you're scared that it can go drop? I think they are scared because they enter late. That's what happens when you enter late. Oh, no. Let me give a short-term target of 150. Well, that means that it can move. And actually, that wouldn't be bad. If it gets to drop and go back to 150, papo, you already know what time it is. I don't have confirmations for entries. I'm still looking at it as a downside as well. Heat Biologics, 14%. Guys, I got to add this one to my list and add a stream marker. Source 14% on completion of CVX-60 vaccine cell line for COVID-19. Heat Biologics rises 14% pre-market after completing its GP96-based COVID-19 vaccine cell line being developed for use as either a standalone or in combination with other vaccines to enhance prophylactic protection. Data generated at the University of Miami Miller School of Medicine has confirmed expression of GP96, OX40L, and spike protein. Also, preparations for manufacturing the vaccine are well underway. HTBX is that symbol that we gotta review, guys. I like Heat Biologics. I enter at 38 cents. And right now, where is it? From 538 to 642. Wow, Mira para allá, my friends. Already going to the upside. Wow, 18%. Wow, I can't even believe that we went as high as freaking $30 and capitalized obviously on that opportunity, and now just waiting to see what it will do next. And it's starting to show interesting signs. If it gets to break this resistance level of 824, I think we're going to keep on kicking booty. I think we're going to go back up, which will be insane, guys. I'm going to keep an eye on it. Then from Heat Biologics, let me go ahead and review Twitter first. Twitter name a top pick for 2021 in JP Morgan upgrade citing at recovery. Twitter shares gained 3.3%, guys. Look at that. And I've been in Twitter since 26 when it dropped. As part of a broader note on the significant outperformance of the internet sector this year, JP Morgan upgrades on their own Twitter from neutral to overweight with a $65 price target, a 23% upside to yesterday's close. Doug Ambuth, leading a group of analysts, says the firm is bullish on online advertising in 2021 and expects industry growth to reaccelerate next year. We believe Twitter will show the biggest rebound given its sharper pandemic-driven decline, along with revenue prioritization throughout the company, early benefits from rebuilt ad tech through the new ad server and rollout of Map 2.0, and increases in both advertisers' count and ad load. JP Morgan notes that Twitter trades at a substantial discount to Snap and in Pinterest, which have faster growth rates, but the firm now prefers Twitter's risk-reward balance and names the company one of its top picks for 2021. There you go, guys. 2021. I think you guys are late, dude. You're late to the party. 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 I actually got in 26, guys. I've been saying, guys, those drops are a blessing. It is hard as F. But if you're patient, Papo, where is it? Where is it? JP Morgan? 65? 65, baby. Papo, but we're already oh my goodness. Oh, let me just add $1 so I can have a headline. Come on, dude, JP. JP, not healthy junk food, but JP Morgan, dude. You gotta freaking say, David, hi, I'm here, David, and here's my target, $1 more than pivotal. Insane, guys, insane. I'm very happy with what I got. And finally, before I get into Carnival, if we enter late into Riot, today looks pretty good with all the Bitcoin catalysts, right? I think the entries were already done. Right now, I'm writing my entries. Riot and Mara will actually go up because of all of this, my friend. Let me do JetBlue, Safe, and UAL. I'm actually going to do BA as well. I go by JP Morgan on public records. You heard it here first. JP Morgan cools on airline sector with sweeping downgrades on JetBlue, Safe, and United Airlines. JP Morgan says the recent rally in airline stocks has significantly diminished the implied potential upside to some of the firm's price targets, with some having already passed right through the PTs on the books. This leaves the firm with some housekeeping to do. Analyst Jamie Baker, airline stocks have run admirably in our view, leaving us with three options: revise our target methodology, strengthen our forecast, or reduce ratings where we deem appropriate. With the lack of any compelling reasoning behind the consideration of the first two, in our view, we're left in the third. So guys, I gotta take a look at JetBlue. I'm gonna do American Airlines too. I gotta do it. I'm gonna do JetBlue. I'm going to do Safe, United Airlines. I'm going to do American and then Boeing. Why not? And DAL. Why not? You're going to see almost everything the same. Let's see. Let's start with JetBlue. I'm blue. Da-ba-dee-da-ba-die. JetBlue, guys. 1482 yesterday. But you know what? I'm expecting the downside, guys. I was expecting the downside from JetBlue because we reached the 50 EMA. And that's an important price point. JBLU, for all of you, 1453. So we are actually looking like we can go a little bit. I think that we're going to be ranging right now. JetBlue is going to be ranging. I think airlines are going to be ranging until next year maybe. And then Safe. Let's do Safe. You gotta stay with me. All you, all I need. Well, guys, I don't do falsetto that much. A mí no me gusta hacer el falsetto. I sound like Aventura. Man, Aventura does a lot of falsetto, man. Tell that to Freddie Mercury. If you say that to Freddie Mercury, run away because he's dead, man. And I watching a ghost is going to be insane. But a beautiful, privileged thing. I'm going to be very honest. If you see a ghost, call the Ghostbusters. Guys, from 2668 safe, where are we right now? Is crypto season. King Cooling en la casa, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
King Cooling, I know, right? Woo! Have you guys seen a Bitcoin? Oh my goodness, 25.91 is safe right now. It's going down. The monthly is still bullish. I don't mind any retracement from safe, guys. I think there's gonna be great upper expectations. Where Edwam is saying, oh shoot, bro. Where are you in the live? Where are you in the live, Edwam? Where are you in the live, Edwam? We cover this breaking news, Bitcoin news. Ladies and gentlemen, save, huh? Let's see now. UAL, United Airlines. David, Bitcoin. Papo, I've been telling you about Bitcoin for so long. Papo. Let's do or United Airlines 4746. I think that retracements are gonna be great opportunity for us. Do you think airlines are gonna go down after all of the vaccinations and all of this? Go to the live. I do the same. And I do the live. And timestamps. And edits. Let's see over here, guys. United Airlines. Maybe it's a good opportunity to buy. Let me be very honest, guys. United Airlines, huh? UAL? Me cago en na. I'm not able to write it right. Whoa, what happened? Dude, I need a new phone. 46.59 for United is good. I think that if it drops even more to 41.60 will be a beautiful thing. Let's see what else did I... Chico, but dude. Chico, bro, let's talk when I finish the video. If you want to keep talking, talk to me on the chat. But let me finish. See, I'm straight with everybody, guys. I don't hide it. I'm very honest. If you suck, you suck. I'm kidding, guys. Delta Airlines over here. We were expecting some retracement. Mera. We talked about it. Where is 41.85 yesterday's close and United today? We are at 46.45. No, espérate. Delta. D-A-L. 41.71. And we expected the downside. I still think that we're going to go up, guys. I still think that we're going to go to 62. JP Morgan is just... JP, come on. Tell your family and tell your friends that stop doing that. To giving downgrades over here. Let's do Boeing. Bienvenido, mi hermanillo, Edwin Murati. Bienvenido, Edwin.
Boom shakalaka!
Logan Wayne Parker saying Hadouken.
Hadouken!
Welcome to the channel, my friend.
Boom shakalaka!
And Boeing 229.50 yesterday. And Boeing, we entered at 120s. Boeing 228 today. I don't think this is a bad thing. I think that we can go back to 209. And let's say hello once again over here. See, Riot Amara. I got to do Riot Amara because we're going to review once again Bitcoin. Bitcoin, dudes and dudettes, chewies and chewettes, dudes and dudettes. Chewies and chewettes, holy mofongo, dudes and dudettes, yeah! Chewies and chewettes, come on now! Guys, look at that. Bitcoin doing higher highs at 20,614. We already went to 20,776. Congratulations for those who were patient on this one. Wow, I can't even believe it. What about Mara, guys? What about Mara? Let's review Mara real quick. But David, you didn't tell me anything about Bitcoin. No, I don't talk about it every day. You know, it's not our wallpaper. It's not like I say it. $8.29 for Mara, guys. We already are up again. Woo! Mira para allá, mira para allá, mira. 57% from our last entry. And I'm still waiting to see that 1062. David! Dude, we were talking about Bitcoin hitting 20K before the end of the year. We did it today. We did it. And Riot Blockchain, guys. Riot, another one. We already are in it. Dude, I've been in Riot since like $3.85. We are at $11.28. Already going to the upside. 10%, guys. Beautiful morning. Beautiful morning for us in the crypto market. Holy mofongo. Let me see over here XRP real quick. Where is XRP? XRP. Actually, Ethereum first. Ethereum, boom chakalaka, 621, guys. I'm telling you, Ethereum has potential to go to 1,421. And then XRP. But David, I got out too early. Well, that's why I say always keep a little bit of it. Always keep a little bit. XRP is at 51 cents as expected. The bounce over there, guys. What a beautiful morning. What a beautiful morning indeed. 28 likes, 26 viewers watching this historical movement from Bitcoin, guys. Look at that break of a resistance. Next up for me is 21,492. And you saw it, even though it did go up, back up again. It did go up again. We reached that $20,400 level. And we retrace a little bit, but continue with the upside because there's so much strong momentum right now. Yeah, XRP is basically consolidating and it's looking like it just wants to go up. Let me do MicroStrategy. MicroStrategy. MSTR. And MicroStrategy, which we've been talking about it as well because they've been acquiring Bitcoin, like a lot of Bitcoin. They are at $312, guys, moving with the Bitcoin. Mira para allá. Almost 313. Beautiful. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. Great potential, guys. Great potential. That's the video for this morning. It's already 8:23. Thank you for being here, guys. We do the videos with a lot of love. What a historical moment. Bitcoin reaching 20,000. Let me do a freaking Instagram of this, guys. Follow me on Instagram. What the heck? DEIVED. Ladies and gentlemen, dudes and dudettes, we have reached historical numbers. Bitcoin, 20,643, and we already reached 20,797. Will it go to 100K? Let me know in the chat room. Let me know in the comment section, guys. I appreciate you all. I really do. Thank you for being here, for the support. We do the videos with a lot of love. So share the love with other YouTubers. Tell them that David and Chewy send a lot of love in their chat room, in the comment section, wherever you want. Even on Reddit. I will see you 6:30 p.m. Central Time. Let's see how those daily candles will close. Beautiful morning. Congratulations for those who capitalize on the opportunities. Keep on kicking booty. And as always, have a beautiful morning.
Hadouken!
Finish him!